YouTube. Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. If this bike hits 50 miles an hour, you're going to see some serious So what I did was I built this 2020 Sucks capacitor, alright, and I tied it into my USB charging port for power, and I have some time circuits in my cell phone here, and I'm hoping it gets me back to where I want to go. So without further ado, we're going to power up the time circuits. We're doing 40. So when I hit 50 miles an hour, we are going to see some serious you-know-what. Without further ado, let's hit it. 45, 46, 48, 49, 50. Woo! Guys, it worked. I think I'm back in 1992. Holy cow. I'm on a 1992 Yamaha Seika 2 600. Just like the one I bought brand new out of high school. Holy cow. This one doesn't quite run as good as the one I had out of high school. Got a very high idle, low power, terrible clutch that's slipping. Oh, but I think I did it. I gotta go over to my mom's house and make a phone call. My cell phone's gone. The 2020 Sucks capacitor is gone. I gotta go call somebody and figure out if in fact I'm back in the year 1992. So let me go to my mom's house.
Hey, little Carl, is that you?
Yeah, Mom, I'm here. I just need to use the phone. It's real important.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. G, it's Motorcycling with Carl. I think it worked, man. It really worked. This time travel thing.
Who the heck is motorcycling with Carl?
Please, Mr. G, please just tell me what year it is.
It's 1992, you lunatic.
Oh my God. Thanks for confirming. And by the way, just to let you know, 2020 really sucks.
I don't know who you are, but be safe. Uh-huh.
Oh man, it's confirmed. Mr. G said I made it back to 1992. I better find a place to work on that bike and get it restored so I can get back to the year 2020. Woo! All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you all around the bike. I'm going to show you what I know needs to be done to it. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my videos. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Hit the bell notification so you could see all the videos of me putting this bike back together and getting it running good. I really appreciate it. And I want to say thank you very much, Mr. G 1965, for playing along with my little game here. I want to thank my friend Jennifer for letting me come over and use her little rotary phone and playing my mother. So stay tuned and check out the bike, guys. Thank you. All right, so here it is, the big reveal, my project bike. A 1992 Yamaha Seika 2 600. Basically the same exact bike I bought brand new a little bit out of high school. About year and a half out of high school, I bought one of these brand new. This bike is pretty much an exact match except for the VIN number. It is a different bike, I know that, but everything else is identical. All right, the things I know is wrong with this bike. One, it's got, let's see, 4160 for miles, so 4,160. I don't know really if that I'm believing that, but we'll see. So I know the front fork seals are blown out. I have to do fork seals on the bike. A little bit of corrosion and rust. Looks like this bike has been ridden in the rain a little bit. I took it out for a ride, as you can see. The guy that sold it to me told me that one of the cylinders was low on compression, and after riding it, I do believe that. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna film all of this from beginning to end. Also, he said there's some kind of crack in one of the carburetors, so I'm gonna have to find that and see what it is. The bike has a really high idle. The clutch slips. I've already ordered a new clutch, so if this bike only has the little over 4,000 miles that they claim, I'll have to say it may have been beat on a little bit. So I'm gonna go through the whole thing, strip it down, you know, clean everything up, make sure everything's in good working order. The back rim here looks like I don't know what happened to it. See what else cosmetically. A little bit of paint scratches there, little chip here. The seat is in pretty good shape. Little chip out of the tank. The bike has definitely been dropped because, as you could see right here, there's a nice scuff right down it. Got some scuff on the clutch lever there. So it's gonna be a good project for over the winter. Gonna strip it down, like I said. We're gonna go through everything. I'm gonna make it a nice bike, and hopefully I'll be able to ride it next year. Some of this looks really weathered up here. Gonna see if I can replace that or get it fixed. I got it registered as a classic motorcycle. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. You know, little entertainment and a reveal. So if you like my videos, if you like my channel, please support. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell notification so you know when I drop videos. And like I said, I'm gonna take you through this from beginning to end. All right, so this is Motorcycling with Carl saying, remember, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.